to know Sarosh Fabrics Jaipur store is now open. Yes, it's giving huge discounts. You can visit the store or order online directly with them on the WhatsApp. So today we are welcoming a very expert nutritionist. Her name is Prachi Mandolia. She's going to talk about all the ways to have a very healthy lifestyle. So she's a clinical nutritionist who caters to many clients all over the world. We would like to invite Prachi Mandolia to our talks. We are waiting for her to come. So we are really happy today since Sarosh Fabrics is open. Yes, we have her online and we are requesting her. So our viewers have given lots of questions to Prachi Mandolia, the nutritionist. She's going to tell us how to have a... Hi Prachi, how are you doing?
I'm good, how are you?
Very nice. So in this quarantine, I think you are the person who's been really busy with lots of fitness.
Yes, lots of people are getting conscious. They have enough time to get healthy at home.
So your Sarosh Fabrics is also doing a lot of intentions to keep everybody healthy.
That's
and
nice.
We are here with you. So please tell us something about yourself.
So I'm a clinical nutritionist, practicing for the last more than 15 years now. And yes, I am counseling all patients, all clients across the globe now through online consultation. And whether it is for weight loss or it could be for any medical issues or even only just kids who want to have a healthy eating pattern. So for everyone.
Great. So how can we actually consult you? How can we have, what is the best way to reach out to you?
Yeah, so my Insta handle is Prachi_Mandolia. So all my details are given there, email ID, phone number. So people can either email or WhatsApp me.
Okay, so our viewers actually have so many questions from you, so we need answers for them. So is it important that to lose weight or to gain health, our metabolic rate should be really high? So can you tell us some lifestyle changes we can do to boost our metabolism?
Yes, so our metabolism should be high, our metabolic rate at all times. So the things that are important is, one is to eat your food timely, your meals, no skipping any meals. So then your metabolic rate will be high. Exercise is one thing which is very important. It keeps your metabolism steady. Also, sleep is very important. At least 7 to 8 hours of sleep is what we need to keep our metabolism steady.
Oh, that's a wonderful thing that will keep everything in mind now. So we have a $1 million question over here for you. What are the healthy options to satisfy our sweet cravings?
Oh wow, yes. Everyone here is at home now and craving for sweets. So what I would suggest is the first option would be either fruits or some dry fruits like apricots, dates, which are sweet. Especially now, summers, mangoes are coming. They're really sweet. But if people want chocolate for sure, then fruit fondue is a great idea. Just melt some chocolate and dip your favorite fruit in it and have it. That's really healthy and it will satisfy your sweet craving for sure.
Many people we are seeing today are baking a lot. In every home, people have been baking.
Yes.
So we have another sweet option instead of baking today with you.
Absolutely, that can also be made healthy.
Great. So, what food do you suggest us to increase our stamina and boost our energy levels?
So, high protein foods are really good if you want to increase your energy and stamina, like milk, paneer. All this should be consumed on a daily basis. Sprouts and dals, those who eat chicken, fish, that will really help. Also, nuts and seeds are one food which you should include in your daily meals.
Okay, so nuts and milk and paneer are the ones we should include.
Yes,
and what
daily.
Anything in non-vegetarian options?
Yes, chicken, fish, eggs are amazing option.
Oh, great. So what measures one can take to stop water retention? Many people have water retention. So how do we stop that?
So water retention is basically because of too much salt in our body. So we need to
Okay.
decrease the salt intake. And for that, you can actually switch from refined salt to pink salt. Basically, pink salt is potassium and the white salt is sodium. So that will help. Also, barley water is one thing which will really help. So you get pearl barley in the market. You just boil 2 cups of water with 2 tablespoons and make the water half, and you can drink that every morning for those who have water retention. It's a great idea to have that.
So we are happy to know you told us two very good things about the pearl barley as well as the
Pink salt.
pink salt. Okay, we have which food do you think we should consume to overcome weakness like body pains?
Yeah, so body pains are because of some swelling or inflammation in the body. So anti-inflammatory foods like turmeric is a very good option. Fresh turmeric with little pepper and ghee. That's a very good option. It will really cure all the pains. Also, you must include foods like ginger, garlic. These are all good foods which will really help to reduce the swelling.
Oh, that's great. Okay, what are your thoughts on intermittent fasting? Now, intermittent fasting has got really famous lately.
Yes, it's like a
So what
trend
are your
right now.
The trend. Everybody's doing it.
So, see, this is actually not something new. Our ancestors always followed this. We must have seen our grandparents always eating early dinners. But I would suggest for everyone, whoever is doing it, do something which is sustainable. Start with 12 hours, see what suits your body. It is definitely very healthy. It helps not only in weight loss, but, treating issues like acidity or arthritis and things like that. So whoever is doing it, just see if it's sustainable and suiting your body as well.
Oh, great option. So we'll keep this thing into picture. Okay, please throw light on which are the foods which help us relieve a little stress.
Okay. So,
Which food should we take to relieve our stress? Nowadays, people are stressed, not
Very
going out,
stressed.
and many things. Yes.
So there is a brain and gut connection now. There are a lot of studies on it. So whatever you're thinking is actually affecting what you're eating. And whatever you're eating will affect your brain chemicals, whatever brain chemicals will be produced. So it is very important that you're eating all the healthy foods. So that will keep your stress level actually low. If you're eating too much processed and junk foods, your stress level will be automatically high. So when you're stressed, you can actually eat foods. Nuts and seeds are very healthy. They're rich in magnesium, which will decrease your stress. Omega-3 fatty acids. So nuts and seeds, walnuts, almonds, seeds like pumpkin seeds, all these things. And also yogurt is very good probiotic for your stomach. So that will actually release some good brain chemicals and keep you calm. So, these things.
So we shall follow healthy options as suggested by you. Okay, we have our viewers are putting up some questions. Will you like to take up those questions?
Yes, sure.
So one of them is written. What would be some healthy but filling breakfast options? I can't keep my hands off bread and cheese. So you have any healthy options other than bread and cheese to give us?
Oh, yes, a lot of them. You can actually, make some eggs, which are very easy to cook and very healthy as well. Or sprouts can be a very good option, which is also quick. Poha upma are always very quick and healthy. Add a lot of veggies to it. So yes, please try to avoid the bread, as much. Or switch to multigrain bread. That would be a good option.
Oh, great. We have another question. If we can't survive without midnight cravings, what options can we have? So
Okay,
midnight
so
cravings.
Yeah, so for midnight craving, just stock up on healthy snacks. It could be unsalted nuts like chana or peanuts, ground nuts. Or it could be some makhana. Keep some other healthy snacks available so you wouldn't munch on the wrong ones. So that would be good for midnight craving.
So that's great. So our viewers can put up questions if they want to ask more questions to her. Prachi, do you want to suggest something to us? Like what should we do during to have a healthy lifestyle and stay fit?
Yes. So this is the best time. Please invest in it. You have all the times for yourself. So, you can prepare some healthy things, try out some new things for yourself. And you're home, so please stay healthy.
Thank you for your tips, and we are grateful that you were there with us. Can you please tell us again, how can we stay connected with you? How can we connect with you?
Yeah, so my Insta handle is PRACHI_MANDHOLIA. Please connect with me on there. I have given my details like email ID and phone number. So you can always email or WhatsApp me.
Great. Thank you, Prachi. Thanks for coming online. Bye.